Welcome to this tutorial on Gateway LR cloning using Photo51. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Gateway LR cloning is a site-specific recombination technique that transfers a DNA fragment from an entry clone into a destination vector. The DNA fragment must be flanked by ATTL sites, and the destination vector must contain ATTR sites. This reaction is catalyzed by the LR clonase enzyme mix, which recombines ATTL and ATTR to form an expression clone. Step 1. Open your destination vector. Go to My Files and select the file you want to use as your destination vector. Double-click the sequence or select Open from the top toolbar. Go to the Cloning tab, click Gateway Cloning and select LR Cloning. This will open the LR Cloning window. If you want to change the destination vector, click the pencil icon next to the vector name, or click Change Vector at the bottom of the box. Your My Files library will open. Select a new vector that meets your needs. Alternatively, you can paste a sequence manually or drag and drop it into the tool. Note: the destination vector must contain ATTR1 and ATTR2 recombination sites. These sites cannot be added via PCR because they are too large. Step 2. Select your entry clone. Click Entry Clone at the top of the screen or Add Entry Clone at the bottom right. Choose a file from your My Files library and click Open Sequence. You can also paste a sequence manually or drag and drop it into the tool. You can add multiple entry clones if needed. To do this, click the plus sign to add another insert. Note: each entry clone must already contain ATTL1 and ATTL2 sites. Step 3. Assemble the expression clone. Once both the destination vector and all entry clones are in place, a message will appear, ready for gateway cloning. Click this message or the Assemble button at the bottom right. Photo51 will simulate the recombination and show the final expression clone. Step 4. Save your final construct. Once the construct looks correct, click Save Assembled Product. You can save it to My Files or to a team workspace. You've now completed Gateway LR cloning in Photo51. Thank you for watching.